you guys? It's your girl Minnie and I am back at it with another flipping video. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video, because you don't want to miss out on any of the good vibes that I have going on over here. And I'm telling you, it's a vibe. But anyway, if you read the title, then you notice that I am going to be doing this palette right here. Yes, I am late to the party. Baby, welcome to the party. But it's okay because, you know, time got away from me and it, you know, whatever. So this is the Morphe X Avani Gregg, and this palette is too cute. You know I love Morphe. Morphe always come through. I never had problems with Morphe, but today I had a problem with Morphe. Alright, so Avani has 20 eyeshadow shades, and then she has 10 eyeliner shades. Now, this palette is very cutesy, very summery, very... You can even do a fall look. Because it has these, you know, colors right here. So, you could play around with this palette a lot. The only thing that I must say that I had a problem with is these liners right here. Like dipping it in water and trying to get it to activate and stuff. It was not activating. But I do like this palette for the shadows. The liners I would pass because it just didn't do the damn thing for me. So if you want to see how I got this look going and stuff like that, it took me all day because I was trying to film a TikTok as well. Shoot over to the TikTok to see the TikTok video. Run it up, please. You know, give me some love over there too, you know. You know, Minnie Dollface everywhere. Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, Beagle, everything is Minnie Dollface. So if you want to see how I got this look, then let's get right into this video. So I did my eyebrows. I put the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Tan Sand on my lids, you know, just to make the colors pop pop. I'm gonna go into Star Emoji, which is like a blue, darkish blue, purplish shade, and put that in the crease. It's been a long time since you. I can't wait for my shit to come in. I'm gonna clean it up. I just want to make sure that I'm under the line and not over the line of my lid. You know what I'm saying? Of the crease. So that's how it's looking. I'm filming a TikTok. I'll be right back. Let me just, you know, do this part right here, and then I'll come right back to give y'all the rest. So then I'm going into Mama's Fave, which is my favorite color in here. Like royal blue, cobra blue is my favorite color. I love blue. Yeah, so I'm gonna just buff out the edge with that. And there we go. I'm gonna use my Garnier cleansing water and cut the crease. Ooh, don't fail me now. Like that. Cut it. Cut it. So now that I have both eyes, I'm going to use my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 0. And, you know, clean the crease up. I'm going to use my Morphe M124 brush. My eyes is tearing. That was a lot of focus. I'm gonna go back in to make the darker bluish purple, like pop more with a thin brush, because I feel like it disappeared. See what I'm saying? Should I make this orange or white? I think I'm gonna make it white. So I'm gonna do the other eye, be right back. So now that I have that, I'm gonna set the white part with Audible Noise. Can you see the difference? This is the one set. This is the one not. It's kind of greasy on this side probably. Now that I have that, I'm going to go into the liners, which is supposed to be like a big deal. I'm going to go into the Beb and L Dog. And it says you have to wet your brush before you line. I'm going to use this e.l.f. angle brush. I've never used this type of brush before. Hopefully it works out because I don't want to mess up. Now going into the Beb first. I feel like I'm painting. Let me double dip.
Oh, you nasty.
Please don't be ugly. Please don't be ugly. I don't feel like it's doing nothing. I don't know, my dear. Maybe I should line it with concealer first. Like do a concealer line first and then put the liner on. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Tan Sand. Create the liner first and then make it do what it do, baby. No, I watch too much TikTok. Even the concealer is wiping away the white. So I'm gonna just pack that on. Don't look up, child. Can y'all see what I did there? So let's try to create the same on the other eye. Hopefully it's the same. If not, I'm just going to have two different wing lines and that's going to be that. Alright, so let's just try this liner again now that I have the concealer, you know, as a base for the wing line. Alright, I feel like that's better, but I definitely need more pigmentation. It's not like a black liner where it just glides on smoothly, but I guess I gotta make it work. Yeah, this is a lot of work. I feel like it's gonna mess up my look. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe 153 brush because it's not working for me. It's not. Okay, that's better. It's still a lot of work, but definitely could be better. Oh my god. I love Morphe, but this is a miss for me. I don't know if I'm not applying it right or doing it right. Okay, this eye is doing way better. Why? I don't know why. See, when I do it on the hand, it glides on there. But it's like, I don't know if I'm putting too much water or what. Then I'm gonna go into L Dog and finish the rest. And then come back to it and then like pile it on. I don't know, child. I feel like I'm putting eyeshadow on, not liner. Okay, now that I'm back, let's try this biatch. A Mother Loving In. It's giving me a hard mother loving time. It's definitely separating, but that's okay. I'm gonna put a shimmer in the corner. I cleaned it up, so now I'm gonna put my Wet n Wild just a little bit so the lash can stick, because I don't think the lash is gonna stick to this. So these are the lashes. I got these in an Amazon packet. It was like 30 in a pack. For like $20. I've been at it for a while now, trying to do a TikTok and film on YouTube at the same time. It's a lot of work. Plus my eyes keep tearing. It's like being annoying. But I forgot to show you that I put Mama's Love and star emoji underneath the waterline. I think I'm gonna put white on the waterline. Let me go back under the eye again to clean it up because that jumbo pencil is real big. Pause. So I'm about to set my under eye and things with my Fenty Honey. And I'm almost done her. Like, I can't believe I'm almost finished her. She's a lot. It's a lot in here. I might as well put everything to the surface because a couple more looks, and she about to be done. Now that I did all that, I'm going to go into the Juvia's Place Warrior 3 palette and go into the shade Congo, which is this color right here, and put that in the inner corner. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. Until next time, peace.